Hello, my name is Sia and I'm a somatic movement facilitator. Today we are going to do somatic practice to explore a vagus nerve. And I want to remind you that anytime you feel overwhelmed or overaroused, the easiest way to come back to reality is to change body position. If you were sitting, lie down. If you were lying down, stand up, and etc. Follow your own personal comfort and joy. I'll start with telling a little bit about stress response. So, stress response in our system had an evolution. So, the most ancient form of stress response is what we call freeze response. So, it's when lizard plays dead if it is in danger. And in our body, parasympathetic system is responsible for freeze. So when we are in danger, it moves all our blood to the internal organs. And at the same time, it's the same system that's responsible for our rest and deep relaxation. Throughout the evolution, we started to have a different stress response that we call fight or run. And our sympathetic system is responsible for it. It moves our blood to extremities so we can run away or attack. And all our perception senses, as well as our visual sense, are expanded extremely when we are in that stress response. And throughout the evolution, we developed a social stress response when we orient on other people and according to their facial expressions and to their actions, we decide either to be in community and to act together or to separate from them based on which community we are in. So when we are in danger, we start from the social stress response. If it doesn't work, then we engage in fight or run. And if that doesn't work, we go to the freeze mode and we shut off. So vagus nerve practice helps us to come back to the sense of deep relaxation, that I am okay and right now I'm not in danger. I survived whatever happened to me and right now I am safe and I can return back to creativity rather than survival. And I want you to start the practice from noticing, are you comfortable right now? Is there anything you can do in your body to make yourself a little bit more comfortable? Maybe move somehow or breathe or sound, and overall give yourself permission to be sounding and expressing your movement. And we'll start applying soft touch to the area of your temples. So you can do a little of circular movements with a gentle touch or a little bit more pressure. Depends on what do you feel like bringing you the most joy right now. What does it feel like? Do you want to be more firm in your touch? What are your sensations in this part? Maybe you want just to place your hands and wait. And from this zone, place your hands on your eyeballs and just create a gentle pressure all around your eyeballs. Maybe you would like to cover your eyes for a moment and kind of rest in your hands. And from here, move from the wings of your nose to the side of your cheeks to your ears. And to the base of your skull, just from the back to the front. From kind of like under the ear. And then go under the ear and down, following your neck. You can also push your tongue back to the throat. and then down toward your lungs and your heart. Maybe keeping your hand for a while at the area of your heart. And then from your lower back, from your kidneys area, just rub yourself towards the stomach, towards the navel. Kind of like creating a band, a touch band. And then maybe you would like to hold your hands on your stomach for a while. And give yourself a moment of noticing how are you right now. Maybe something has changed. And this practice can be used as in moments of stress response or discomforts, as well as in day-to-day joyful times. Because when we practice something in the stage of calm presence, it's easier for us to remember those practices when something acute happens. If you did this practice and enjoyed it, please share with me in the comments. That supports me to continue doing this with this. Thank you.